Hey guys, so I am so excited. I had a friend that is from Poland and I got a couple of little chocolates and I wanted to try them out with you. Anyone that is from Poland and has tried this chocolate, please comment. Let us know what you think about them. And guys, if you like this video, like, subscribe, we're begging you. Okay? Let's try out this chocolate. So here's the chocolate we're gonna try. So we're gonna try to say them. So Toffik, I'm pretty sure that's toffee. That is a plum-filled chocolate, tiramisu, tiki-taki, malaga, mishaski, and mishanka karkauska. I think I did good. Let me know if I did good, guys. Let's try them out. All right, we'll try the Toffik. I'm assuming it's toffee. And we'll tell you what it tastes like. Oh, no.
Let's take a look at it
Just
first.
a small bite. Ooh, that smells like nothing I've smelled before. All right.
We've never tried candy from Poland.
I like the texture.
Let's see it.
It's nice and hard, but not hard, sorry. Like chewy.
It's a bit blurry, but okay.
Yeah. The chocolate coating. The chocolate actually has a really different taste than ours. But I like it. I like the texture. It's like a toffee nougat. So far so good. This one's filled with a plum. I don't know if I'm gonna like that. I'm not really crazy.
It might be equivalent to our old, what was it called? Cherry blossom? That they no longer sell here in Canada.
So it looks like an egg. Let's
and
go.
it's round, yeah.
Smells good.
Down the hatch. It's like a cherry blossom.
There's a full plum in there. Oh, that's nice though. It's not like that artificial kind of jammy stuff. It's an actual plum in there. Good.
So nice if you like plums.
Yeah. Very nice.
Next up, tiramisu.
Tiramisu! I'm excited.
Has to be good.
I'm excited for this one. I love tiramisu.
You were actually excited for all of them.
All right, one bite.
I heard a crunch. That's good. Well, that looks nice. Look at that.
That is so good. You're gonna have to try that one. There's that. It tastes just like tiramisu. The caramel isn't that harsh caramel taste. You have to taste it. What are your thoughts?
Well, I like the look of it. I'm not sure if you can see clearly, but I can see clearly now the rain. There's like some little white over here.
It's like the custard, and then the brulee is that caramel brulee.
And it looks like the chocolate's got a nice crunch like I heard, so let's try it and let's listen.
Yep. Don't eat it all. I want the rest.
I'm going to put it on my lip. That's definitely different than anything we have here in Canada.
Yeah.
Or in the U.S. that I've tried. It tastes a lot like tiramisu.
It's good, eh?
Very rich. Very good. It's the first one I've tasted, and it's my favorite so far. Tiki-taki.
Tiki-taki. I don't know what that is.
No.
I don't know what it is. It's hard for me to like find words to describe things because I've never
I like
tasted
the
anything.
shape of the chocolate. It looks like almost like a beetle or something.
All right.
Oh, that was quiet. It looks a little bit like the tiramisu, but without the cream, the filling.
This tastes like hazelnut and like a Bono, those Italian chocolates, but better. The outer is like a dark chocolate, and then the inside is so subtle. It's not too sweet. I love it. Love it. Okay, on to the next. Malaga. I'll say it's Malaga. I'm not sure. This looks like another fruit-filled one, though.
Correct us in the comments if
Please tell us.
we're massacring the chocolate name.
I love
Let's
learning
see the
about
shape.
different cultures.
Let's see the shape of it.
It's like
Okay,
a
so
little...
it's got like a curve.
A cave.
It's got the brand name on it. Try her out.
All right. Oh, normal.
Creamy.
That is weird. It tastes fruity, but it's not like a gelatin. And it tastes a little alcoholic. I don't know if maybe Malaga means something. That's really creamy. I can't describe it. I can't describe it, the taste. It's weird. It's good though. I can see.
So you can't describe the taste on that chocolate?
No.
And you cannot say the name of this chocolate. It's a Misha Siski?
Misha Siski. Original.
Let's see if it tastes like it sounds. So far, they've all been very rich in flavor, very chocolatey, and very tasty.
Melts in my fingers though.
This one's got a square format looking to it.
Yeah.
Little mini bar.
Looks like the first one, but let's see. Oh, that's totally Three Musketeers. Nutty, earthy, nougat, and none of them are so overpoweringly sugary that it's so nice and refreshing for chocolate. Really good.
Well,
I like that.
The last one has a pineapple on it, so and it's very flat. So I'm assuming it's going to taste like pineapples, which would be really cool.
Let's see. Oh, it's like a disc with gelatin in it, I think.
Okay, well, that's still cool. Different.
Yeah, that's different. Oh,
They're all different besides supposedly the Three Musketeers. If you look down, look at this this mess here. The Three Musketeers is we have here, but all the other ones are original to our country.
This is really cool.
Check it out.
I love pineapple, so let's see.
And this candy company is
it smells so good.
Supposedly the best in Poland as well. Wawel?
You let us know. Oh, see that's what I'm more accustomed to. That gelatin, like thick jelly kind of covered chocolate. It's good. It really tastes like pineapple, but I'm not a big fan of the gelatin chocolate.
Which is your favorite out of
the tiramisu, hands down. Then the tiki-taki.
So tiramisu, I know that one is right over here.
Yeah, the tiki-taki. Then this guy, I don't remember the name. Oh, this is the toffee. And then I think the fruit-filled are my least favorite. But if you like fruit-filled, it's really good. Guys, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you think about these chocolates. Anyone that's tried them, tell us what your favorites are. Like, subscribe. See you on the flip side.